Any motivation is valid. I'm about to win my 100th award because I got pissed off almost a year ago, and it's been a brilliant motivation. There are different fuels to a car. There can be petrol, there can be diesel, there can be electricity, anything, you know? Not really anything, but there's different fuels. Now, almost a year ago, the Refocus Awards, awards which I really looked up to, I entered and I was unranked, meaning they didn't even make me number 100 or 200 or 300, like just literal zero rank. So it's like ungraded in Cambridge exams, or it means they don't even register you, that's the idea. And I got pissed off by this. So I said, I actually made a YouTube video, if you look far enough. I said, you know, I lost one award, so now I'm going for 100. I felt like this was wrong, but because of also the people that they did rank, I said, no, like what the you know, it's the only time I've done that. Like, I'm convinced I'm not a sore loser, because when I show people, I say, okay, which is better, this or this? Mine invariably is better. So, I've won 90 awards. I'm waiting for the final 10. And I want to send them how many awards each photo won, because I was using the same photos that I entered their competition with. One of them has 4 awards. Bronze and silver, yeah. But I'll tell you what. That's the podium. The reason I'm opening in this way is I wanted to ask for your help. I don't want to inherit a damn thing. Part of what I saw when I grew up was my parents, you know, like just this sibling group fighting one another or just being antagonistic to one another over their father's possessions. That's my grandfather. Now, my wish is to have my photography career expand well enough that I never need to inherit, and I might just throw away the inheritance. Like it seems almost like cursed to me. It seems almost like cursed to me. I wanted to share this little bit of motivation with you because your motivation is valid. It can make sense or it cannot make sense. It can be righteous and it can be petty. All of these are valid motivations. So find whatever it is, right? And all of it makes sense because all of it is going to make you win. I had a conversation with my mother the other day on the phone, and she let me know just how much. Well, she let me know how much I resemble my grandfather, you know, and it made me realize that it's time to start the cycle again. You know, my grandfather was a big success. Maybe not liquid multimillionaire, but like definitely multimillionaire in terms of properties, etc. And it's going to sound stupid. I want to get rid of it all. And I want us to have a fresh start. I want to restart the cycle. I don't want to touch this old stuff. It's a bit of an intimate thing to share, but it's still important because I want to validate your ability to get motivated. It can be wrong, even your motivation. You might want to be able to sleep with as many people as possible. You might want to do drugs. I'm not saying I'm approving of all these things, but I am saying I'm approving it as a motivation. Use whatever you have, God damn it, it's valid.